morning, KGB. Let's learn about letter B today. Alright? Are you ready? We will learn the sound of B, which is B. B, B. We will also revise the associated vocabulary of letter B and also do some activities. So, are you ready, children, to learn about letter B, B with Nanda ma'am? Good. So, let's start with B, B and the story of a little Bieber boy whose favorite color was blue. This is Bieber Bobby. His favorite color is Bieber blue. Alright, say with Nanda ma'am. Bieber Bobby, Bieber boy, Bieber blue. And this is Bobby's baby brother with his bottle. Bieber baby. Say again. Bieber brother. Bieber bottle. One day, Mama called Bobby and said, Bobby, you are a big boy now. Could you please help me by doing some shopping for me? Yes, Mama. I will go to the shopping mall. How did Bobby go to the shopping mall? In a Bieber bus. Bieber bus. Mama made a shopping list for Bobby. He had to buy many things. Bobby looked at his shopping list. He first went to the Bieber baker. Bieber baker. And he bought brown bread, brown bread, burger buns, and biscuit. Next on the list were bananas and brinjals. Bananas. Say with Nanda ma'am. Banana. Brinjal. Brinjal. Bobby was hungry and he ate a banana. Banana. Next, what did he have to buy? He had to buy some bibs. Bieber bibs for the Bieber baby. Bieber bibs for the Bieber baby. Next on the list, he had to buy a bat and a ball for himself. Bieber bat, Bieber ball. It was time to go home. Bobby's shopping basket was full. Bieber basket. Bieber basket. When he reached home, Bobby sat down to study. He opened his Bieber brown bag and took out his Bieber books. Bieber brown, Bieber bag, Bieber books. When he finished his work, it was time to play with some Bieber balloons. He also watched some Bieber butterflies in the garden. Now that Bobby is playing, let me ask you some questions, children. What is Bobby's favorite color? Bieber blue. Bieber blue. Next question. How did he go to the shopping mall? Did he go in a car? Or did he walk to the shopping mall? Who remembers? Correct. He went in a Bieber bus. Bieber bus. Next question, children. What did he buy from the baker? What did he buy from the baker, children? Who remembers? Quickly, give me the answer. Bieber brown bread. What else? Bieber burger buns. What else? Who remembers? Bieber biscuits. What did he buy next? He bought Bieber bananas and Bieber brinjal. Good. What did he do after that? What did he buy for the baby children? He bought Bieber bib. Bieber bib. What did he buy for himself? Do you remember? What did he buy for himself? Correct. Bieber bat. Bieber ball. What was the color of his bag? Do you remember? Bieber brown. Very good, children. Time for an activity. Mix some soap in water, use a straw, and Bieber blow some Bieber bubbles. Have fun, take care. Bieber bye-bye. Bieber bye.